In this video, we are going to learn how to recall our portfolio if we accidentally submit it before we want to. From our main screen, I am in our portfolios, and right now we see the status is open for editing. When a portfolio is open for editing, that means that I can add additional artifacts, edit existing artifacts, or delete current artifacts from my portfolio. When I'm ready to submit my portfolio at the end of PD3, I go through the submission process. To submit your portfolio, you open up your portfolio, and down at the bottom, we have a submit button. If I click this, it is going to bring up a thing that says, are you sure you want to submit? If I accidentally click OK, we see that the status has gone from open for editing to review in progress. Save is your best friend, but if I accidentally submit it and at the end of PD1 or the end of PD2, and I know that I need to upload additional artifacts to my portfolio, recalling this to make the status open for editing again is very simple. I'm going to click to highlight the portfolio I want to review, and then click the recall button at top. Well, you see that the portfolio very quickly went from submitted to open for editing again.